Confused whether to use Hallo or Guten Abend, then you've come to the right place. Guten Tag and welcome to StudySmart, the channel that will make you study strategically and score high. I'm your mentor Faiza, and in this video we will be going through some German greetings and when to use them. But before we begin, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos just like this one to help you to study smart. Well, the usual greeting for meeting anyone during any time of the day is hello. But if you want to be a bit more specific, according to the time of the day, then you will have a lot more greetings. But to start with the greetings that you can say during any part of the day, you have to understand how the Germans have divided the day. So 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. is der Morgen, or the morning. 9 a.m. to 12 noon is der Vormittag, which roughly means before noon. 12 noon to 2 p.m. is der Mittag, which roughly means half of the day. Now 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. is der Nachmittag, which roughly means afternoon. And from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. is der Abend, which is basically their evening. Night for them starts at 9 p.m. and ends at 6 a.m. in the morning. And it is called die Nacht. If you're wondering what midnight is called, it's called die Mitternacht. So what greetings can we use? So anytime between 6 a.m. to 12 noon, that means morgen, all the way to the end of Vormittag, you say Guten Morgen. From 12 noon to 6 p.m., meaning from Mittag to the end of Nachmittag, you say Guten Tag. And from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. you say Guten Abend. And if you were to meet someone or bid someone farewell from 9 p.m. all the way to 6 a.m., then you say Gute Nacht. Great, so these were the greetings that you can use according to the parts of the day. So what are the other ways to greet people? If you're welcoming someone to your home, you say Willkommen. When saying farewell, you can say Auf Wiedersehen. This is a more formal goodbye, which means see you again. If you're saying goodbye to friends, then you can say Tschüss. And if you want to say see you soon, you can say bis bald, or see you later, which could be bis später. If you want to say to someone have a nice day, you can say einen schönen Tag. If you want to wish someone a nice weekend, you can say schönes Wochenende. If you want to ask somebody for something or you want to call their attention towards something, you can say Entschuldigung, or entschuldigen Sie bitte. If you did not hear something properly, then you can say wie bitte. If you want to apologize, you say es tut mir leid. If you want to ask somebody for the time, you say wie spät ist es? If you're entering a place and you need permission, you can say darf ich hereinkommen bitte? Before eating with someone, you can say Guten Appetit, which basically means have a great meal. And of course, always say bitte, which means please, danke, which means thank you, or Dankeschön, which means thank you very much. If you want to reply to someone's thank you, then you say bitteschön, which basically means you're welcome. So these were the essential greetings. Practice them with your friends and family, and I'm sure you are going to be confident in saying them in no time. Do check out my other videos on how to study smart the German language. But before you go, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel, the only channel that believes that learning something new is not difficult, you just need to study smart. See you in my next video. Cheers!